I will start introducing the concepts of and definitions of body illusions, showing which types of body illusions, how can we use, how can we induce body illusions. And then my colleagues will show you some applied clinical studies using these types of body illusions and in specific body ownership illusions for pain reliefs in patients with phantom limb pain. First, I would like to remember this film that is called Avatar. This is the concept that we want to introduce today. So how can we use these body illusions through an avatar or through fake bodies to improve a damaged part of the body of patients with phantom limb pain? The perception of the body relies on multisensory integration. So manipulating this multisensory integration, we are able to change the representation of our body. In this workshop, we will focus in the body ownership illusions. The most known examples of the body ownership illusion is the rubber hand illusion. The researchers are applying tactile stimulation, synchrony in the same place and at the same time. And then when the researcher try to hold the rubber hand, the participants react realistically to that event. This happens because they felt ownership toward the rubber hand.